So this is what you want. Nice creamy sauce. Look at that. It really comes together. It's so creamy. It's delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ragù Bianco. It's a beautiful dish that's usually enjoyed in the cooler months, the winter months, when you want something warm to kind of warm up. It's a great dish to enjoy on a Sunday. It takes a little time to cook, so those slow cooked meals really work on Sunday. But it's not super slow, so it could be prepared during the week, like midweek. You want something nice, something to enjoy. You enjoy a little Ragù Bianco with pasta, a nice glass of wine, kind of break up the week. It works great. So I make it often during the week. I always buy like a pound of ground beef, some sausage, and whip it up during the week, and it's great. It's like you get like a little midweek celebration, All right, so these are the ingredients we're gonna use. If you look, we don't really have that many ingredients, and if you follow me, I cook with very limited ingredients, but this is all you need, just fresh ingredients. We have this beautiful pasta from Napoli. When this pasta comes out, you're making something good. All right, so let's open this up. We got a little scissor. This pasta. You could tell this is good pasta by the texture, that grainy texture. And the best part about it, look at the shape. Look how it's round at the edge. These are really long. When we cook these, we're gonna be like, all right, so for the ragu, we have half an onion, carrot, celery, fresh rosemary, beef, sausage, white wine, and beef broth. That's it. That's all we need. All right, so first we need to prep our sofrito. We're gonna chop up the celery, the little cubes, and the carrot. And same thing, we're gonna cut this into small cubes. And the onion. So now we have our sofrito. We're ready to cook. Add in a little olive oil, the sofrito. We're gonna saute this a little bit till the vegetable gets nice and soft, and then we'll add in the meat. Right, so this is looking good, almost there. The sausage, we gotta remove it from the casing. So we're gonna cut a line down it. Cut a line down this one too. And now we're gonna crumble it and throw it in. The sausage is gonna give this ragu a nice depth of flavor. If you don't like sausage, you could use veal, pork. I mean, you could go all beef if you want, but the sausage definitely gives a nice flavor profile in the ragu. Stir this up, and the sausage, you probably want to go with like a unseasoned sausage. You don't want sausage that has like parsley or any kind of flavorings added to it. You just want sweet, just plain sausage. You don't want to alter the flavor of this. Now we're going to add in the beef. Beautiful beef. The color. Going to mix everything up, get the sausage to mix up with the beef, the vegetables, everything kind of become friends in here. Get the meat nice and golden. And then we're going to deglaze with some white wine. So the longer we saute this, the more flavor we're going to create in the meat. There's pretty much 2 times when the ragu really develops a lot of flavor. Right now, we're frying it up with the carrot, celery, and onion, and then letting it cook. The longer you let this cook after, the better it's going to taste. So this is good. This is ready for the wine. We're going to add in half a cup of white wine. Add in whatever wine you like. I usually go with a dry wine, but my rule of thumb is add whatever wine you prefer to drink into your ragu. All right, so the wine is evaporated. The meat's got a nice color. We're ready for the broth. I'm adding in beef broth, but if you want, you can add in vegetable broth if you like. Now we're going to add in some seasoning, some salt, sea salt, crushed black pepper, and some fresh rosemary. All right, so this looks perfect. As you can see, the meat's still kind of separated. There's a lot of liquid in here. This needs time. It needs some time to kind of come together. We're gonna lower the heat. We're gonna cover it, and we're gonna let it cook on low for 45 minutes to an hour. It's been 45 minutes. Let's check on our ragu. Looks perfect. Look at that. Look at how it sucked up all the broth. The broth is almost completely gone. The meat, the sausage, the beef, everything kind of blended together. You don't see the carrots anymore. The carrots kind of became a cream in here. I mean, it looks perfect. Look, when I push the meat to one side, you could see there's not a lot of juice left in this pan. And that's what you want. You want a tight ragu. The pasta water is boiling. Let's add in some salt and drop in our pasta. This was a very long pasta. All right, so our pasta is almost ready. Look at that. Now we're going to finish the pasta in a frying pan with the ragu. You could see the cream. The pasta has a lot of cream in it. Look at that. There it is. So this is what you want. Nice creamy sauce. Look at that. The pasta water kind of lightened up the ragu. Look at that. Look at that. Oh! I'm going to top this off with a little bit of ragu. Perfect. The finishing touch. All right, so let's taste it. It's so good. The sausage with the beef, the sausage gives that saltiness, the beef, it just really comes together. It's so creamy, it's delicious. Top it off with some Parmigiano. It's perfect. This is a perfect for a weeknight. I mean, Sunday. If you have a family, you do a pound of pasta, a pound of beef, and you could feed a family of 4 to 5. I mean, it's perfect. I hope you follow my recipe, and if you do, let me know if you like it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.